Make sure. Hello guys, how's it going today? Just doing my hair, so I thought last minute, why not record and show you guys how I get my hair done. I do it myself instead of going pay so much money. It does get expensive after a while. It does take a while. Natural hair, time consuming. It really does. Almost wanted to cut it at one point, but it took me a while to grow my hair out. I've been natural for about 5 to 6 years. If you can't see my face, well, you can understand why. I use Fructis. You can see it. Sleek Shine anti-freeze serum. I love my hair. Got to wear it. It's our crown, baby. Especially with our Black History Month. It's almost over this month, but you know, Black History every day for me. I don't let nobody take that away from me. Yep, I'm almost done. You can see how it looks. It's frizzy, but I'll fix that. Took my time and did that. Ooh, got me falling down. Not good. I'd rather keep it in a poof anyway. Like I said, it's time consuming. This back is out the way. So, tell me how was y'all day today in the comments. And I want to also thank you guys, all who are taking the time out to watch me. I have nothing but love for you guys. I'm new at this. Was a little camera shy, but I'm growing into it. Just thankful that you guys sticking around. Ooh, it's kind of hot. Yep, everybody do it different. I watch others do it. Almost done. I don't know why I didn't think of this since earlier. Could have brought you guys along while I started my hair. Washed it, just conditioned it. Try not to put too much shampoo to my hair. I co-washed it actually with the Pantene Pro-V, the brown bottle, natural hair, and then blow dried it. It's the blow dryer that I use. You can see it. And this is the flat iron that I use. This thing's so old. I don't know if you can see the name. I don't know what it's called. Cortisio, Cortisio. Been having this thing for a few years. It gets the job done. You can see I don't go to the beautician. I do this myself. Only thing I need to do is learn how to clip my ends. Once I do that, Your girl good to go. I'm a baby. Almost done. Let me finish this so I can style my hair. The hard part is wrapping this thing. All this dang hair. It's hard to wrap. But yes, I've been natural for a while. Been thinking about cutting it. What you guys think? Think I should cut it short, like shoulder length, or I guess about, I'll say like in a bob maybe, shoulder length or a bob, or I may even go shorter. I've been thinking about it. I just don't know if it's gonna look right with my big head. Let me know what you guys think. This turned out, I was supposed to be washing and flat ironing my hair to do a transition video, but it took me longer than I expected. I think I'm a bit of a perfectionist. That's my problem. No, I'm kind of quiet, guys, but I'm still trying to decide what I want to do with this hair. Did you guys go mighty grind today or yesterday? Did you guys catch any good beats? Or do you think you have to go further away from home to really enjoy yourself and get the good beats and feel like you're not being judged? I'm in Louisiana, so it kind of, I won't even go there, but yeah, won't even go there. Ouch. Hurt my nose. What? See, I should just practice this way. I have to flatten it again. This always happens. Whole thing be perfect. Be perfect, but one side always messes up. Oh, it doesn't come out right. I need to cut these damn ends. Sorry for all the cursing, but yeah. Whew, I got some cutting to do. Let's see. Just brush our fingers. Brush our fingers that I don't mess it up. Need to clean out this brush. It's a sign of shit and all healthiness. See how this turned out. Come see Bet. What you think? Calling my daughter in here, you guys. You gotta.
Yeah.
Asking you. Oh, what you think?
It's nice.
You like
I like it.
Thanks. I don't know if I should like pin it back, pin it up, or pull it like on the side. You know how you just part?
Yeah.
I know you don't care for the swoop. Yeah, she don't care for the swoop, guys. I tried to explain to her that I used to wear this.
You used to wear
when
it?
I was in school. I always had pretty hair, long hair, but it wasn't as long as it is now because I went natural.
Well, I think.
This hair. I have to flush it.
I don't think you should pick it up.
Thank you. You like it like this?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a waste of time.
It will.
Find my little earrings. Don't know how to act. So I flat iron my hair. I don't know what to do with myself. Now I go to my transition video. Cause whoo boy, when I say I was ratchet earlier, y'all, I was a hot mess. I may have to flat iron the ends again, but I'm gonna stand up and show you guys how it looks. And I love it. It's nice. It came out nice. So I want to go to New Orleans. Sorry for being so quiet. Like I said, I'm a perfectionist. I like to get my hair and play around in it. Yeah, you can see I got some ends that need to be cut. Well, not very much. I'm taking care of it. Excuse me, pulling up my clothes, y'all. So yep, I'm gonna stand up and let y'all see my hair from the back. There it looks nice. Pretty. I like it. I need to quit playing in and out to wrap it tight. So comment and let me know how you guys' day going and how your day go. Where you guys are watching from. And where are you going Mardi Gras? If you decide to go. Just standing up. Don't know how to act now, boy. But to be, throw me something, mister. Throw me some, mister. Oh yeah, and excuse my nails. They started hurting. They're starting to come up. I need to refill them. So I started clipping them things off. And they were getting caught in my hair, so I just cut them. So I gotta soak them off in a little bit. I may even do that to show you guys how I soak my nails and get the stuff off. But yeah, I don't know if I should part it. Wear like this, like that, like so. Like Tabitha Brown says, I love her personality. She's such a sweetheart. Yeah. But thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.